Have you ever wondered how the Spartans managed to resist the overwhelming Persian forces at the Battle of Thermopylae? Let's delve into the first strategic move that set the stage for this historic standoff: the selection of Thermopylae as the battleground. Thermopylae, a narrow pass along the east coast of central Greece, played a key role in the Battle of Thermopylae. Its geography presented a unique advantage for the outnumbered Greeks. The pass was so narrow that it neutralized the numerical superiority of the Persians. It was a place where the might of numbers could be rendered useless, as the larger army couldn't deploy its full strength due to the constricted space. This was a shrewd move by the Greeks, as they effectively turned the terrain into their ally. By choosing Thermopylae, they leveraged the land's natural defenses to counterbalance the Persians' overwhelming forces. The choice of Thermopylae as the battlefield was the first step in the Greeks' strategy. The next crucial factor in the Greeks' defense was the Spartan phalanx formation. The Spartans, revered for their military discipline and training, adopted what was known as a hoplite phalanx. This formation was nothing short of an ingenious battlefield strategy. Imagine a tight, shielded formation where each Spartan warrior was positioned so close to his comrade that their shields overlapped. This created a nearly impenetrable wall of defense, a human bulwark against the enemy. Now consider the battlefield. Thermopylae was a narrow pass, a bottleneck where the vast numbers of the Persian army were of little advantage. The confined space made the Spartan phalanx all the more effective. Each Spartan stood his ground, shield locked with his brother in arms, forming an unyielding line of defense. The Persian forces found themselves crashing against this wall time and time again, to little avail. The Spartan phalanx proved to be a formidable defense against the Persian a formidable force that could withstand the rigors of battle and push back against the overwhelming Persian forces. At the helm of this well-oiled machine was King Leonidas I, who embodied the very essence of Spartan valor and courage. His presence on the battlefield was not just symbolic, it was a powerful motivator. His reputation, coupled with that of the Spartan warriors, instilled confidence in the Greek allies. The unity of the Greek city-states under Spartan leadership was a testament to their strength and resilience. The combination of Spartan leadership and training was a key factor in their resistance against the Persians. Despite all these advantages, the Greeks were ultimately defeated at Thermopylae. A local resident, swayed by Persian gold or personal grudge, betrayed his own people. He revealed a hidden mountain path to the Persians, enabling them to outflank the Greek position. Sacrifices made at Thermopylae rallied. The ensuing battles of Plataea and Mycale were fiercely contested, with the Greeks emerging victorious in both. These decisive victories effectively repelled the Persian invasion and marked a significant turning point in the Greco-Persian Wars. While the Battle of Thermopylae ended in defeat for the Greeks, it was a significant chapter in the larger story of the Greco-Persian Wars, showcasing the courage, strategy, and resilience of the Greeks, particularly the Spartans.